Welcome to my channel. Imagine waking up tomorrow and deciding to run. Not just once, but every single day for the next year. Sounds intense, right? But here's the wild part. Your body would undergo changes so dramatic you'd barely recognize yourself. Some of them are incredible, others, well, they might surprise you. Let's dive into the science of what actually happens when you commit to running every single day. The first 72 hours, your body goes into shock mode. The moment you lace up those shoes and hit the pavement, your body thinks you're running from danger. Your heart rate spikes, adrenaline floods your system, and every muscle fiber screams for mercy. But here's where it gets fascinating. Within just 48 to 72 hours, your body stops fighting you and starts helping you. Your mitochondria, those tiny power plants inside your cells, begin multiplying like crazy. You're literally building more energy-producing machinery. And those endorphins? They don't just make you feel good. They're chemically similar to morphine, creating what scientists call a natural high that can last for hours after your run. This is where things get really interesting. Your heart actually grows, not in a scary way, but in a way that makes it pump more blood with each beat. Elite runners can have hearts that pump 30% more blood per beat than non-runners. Your lungs expand their capacity, and your blood vessels multiply throughout your body, creating an entirely new network of highways for oxygen delivery. But here's the kicker. Your bones start getting denser. Every foot strike sends signals to your skeleton saying, "We need to be stronger." And your bones respond by laying down more calcium and minerals. You're literally rebuilding yourself from the inside out. The brain boost. Nobody talks about want to know what's really wild. Running might be the closest thing we have to a miracle drug for your brain. When you run, your brain releases something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of it as fertilizer for your brain cells. Studies show that runners have larger hippocampuses, the part of the brain responsible for memory and learning. That's why some of the greatest thinkers in history, from Steve Jobs to Haruki Murakami, swore by their daily runs. They weren't just exercising their bodies. They were literally upgrading their brains. And the mental health benefits? Daily runners show up to 30% lower rates of depression and anxiety compared to non-exercisers. The secret side effects. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Running changes your gut bacteria. Within weeks, your microbiome shifts to favor bacteria that reduce inflammation throughout your entire body. This is why runners often have glowing skin. It's not just the circulation boost, it's the fact that inflammation is one of the main causes of aging and skin problems. And get this. Regular runners report more vivid dreams and deeper sleep because running synchronizes your circadian rhythm like nothing else. Now, before you go sprinting out the door every day for the rest of your life, let's talk about what the fitness industry doesn't want you to know. Your body needs rest to grow stronger. Period. When you run, you're creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers and putting stress on your bones and joints. The magic happens during recovery, when your body repairs itself stronger than before. But if you never rest, those micro tears become macro problems. We're talking stress fractures that can sideline you for months, tendinitis that turns chronic, and overtraining syndrome, a condition where your hormones go haywire and you become weaker despite exercising more. Some obsessive daily runners even experience heart problems because, yes, you can have too much of a good thing. Here's what elite athletes know that casual runners often miss. Active recovery is still running, just smarter. Instead of pounding the pavement at high intensity every single day, the pros mix it up. Hard run one day, easy recovery jog the next, maybe a long, slow run on the weekend. Throw in some cross-training like swimming or cycling to give your joints a break while keeping your cardiovascular fitness sharp. The runners who last decades without injury, they're the ones who learned to listen to their bodies, not their egos. If you run every day with intelligence and intention, you're looking at a stronger heart that could add years to your life, lungs that work like high-performance engines, muscles that become lean and powerful, bones that stay strong well into old age, and a brain that stays sharp and resistant to cognitive decline. You'll probably look younger, feel happier, and sleep better than 90% of the population. But if you ignore the warning signs and push through pain, thinking more is always better, you might end up injured, burnt out, and on the sidelines wondering what went wrong. The choice is yours. Run smart, run daily, and transform your life. Or run reckless and learn why rest days exist the hard way. If you found this deep dive valuable, Smash that like button and subscribe because we're just getting started with content that goes beyond the surface. Drop a comment and tell me, are you team run every day or team rest is essential? Let's debate. I'll see you in the next one.